Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can possibly fix for your Epson 6100 non-recognizing the ink cartridge. So I saw this on Reddit, maybe it's going to help. Unplug the printer for a day, unplug it back in and wait for a reset to finish. So the new black cartridge wasn't recognized, empty old black cartridge wasn't recognized, turning on and off and cleaning terminal did nothing. Unplugged for a day, plugged back in, lots of checking, resetting and reconfiguration, apparently symbols. When it finished, new cartridge was recognized. So check this out, try it out, maybe it's going to help. I hope it does. I saw this on Reddit. I hope it's going to help you on what you can actually do. And have a great day and goodbye.